Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to check if there's player one in colon. When our last video talked about whether player one is going to win a role, and we did that, and when successfully we were able to achieve that. So in this video, I'm going to do for that of colon. So let me run this code because I'm going to use the board to explain this. Okay, let me open the time. Okay, you can see this is the board right here. I know that colon is like this. So if post 1, post 4, and post 7, if they are all x, that player 1 1. If 2 5 8 are x, player 2 1 in colon 2, and same thing for this colon 3. So that's what we are basically going to do. And for that, we are going to remove this else here because we're also add for that one. So I'm going to just copy this since it's 3 colons. Okay, 3 colon, I'm going to copy a paste another one. Okay, and the last one. So this is 1 2 3. Let me separate it from that of row. So what are we going to do? Like down here, you can see so post 1, post 4, and post 7. So here is going to be post 1, post 4, and for post 7. So here is going to be 1 in what column? Column. Okay, and for the second one is 2 5 8. Let's say here is going to be 2 5 8. Here is going to be colon. Here is going to be here is going to be colon 1, colon 2, and this should be for colon 3. Colon 3. So and for the cut of colon 3, we're having 3 6 9. So it's going to be 3 6 and half 9. So you don't need for me removing that and putting that again. So now I can join them all together. So it won't use much of our space. Let me bring this down. Get this to be closer, and I'm going to write our else condition because when I don't write an else if, you have to end it with an else. So now we know that else is not doing anything, so I'm just going to use pass for it. So pass. So I hope this is not complex to understand. Let me explain again using this table that we have down here, or this our board down here. You know that for once post 1 is x, post 4 is x, and post 7 is x. That means player 1 1 in column. The same thing from here, the same thing here too. So that's basically what we did here. You can see here was okay, where is that? This is for our columns. You can see post 1, okay, post 4, and for that of post 7. So 1 in column 1, and for post 2, post 5, and post 8, and the third was this post 3, which is talking about this here, post 6 talking about this guy, and that of post 9 talking about this guy. So we're going to print the board and then tell the player 1 where he won, and then we're going to break the loop. So let's test that and see our output. Okay, player 1, let's say I want to win in this third column here. So as player 1, I'm going to put 3. Let's say player 2 decided to put 7. So as player 1, I want to put 6. And then it's player 2 turn. Let's say you put 8. And then it's my turn, player 1. I selected 9. You can see what happened here. Player 1 1 in column 3. You can see how easy for us to achieve this just by manipulating these variables that we set initially here. So without that, it's easy to achieve this. But this is actually eating a whole lot of space on our environment right here. Actually eating a whole lot of space in the environment. There's still a better way to achieve this, like I keep on saying. So I don't think this is the only way. But there's a better way to shorten your script down to make it more professional. But since this is just mainly to explain how Tic Tac Toe work, and also to make beginners to understand how Tic Tac Toe work, and also for that of beginners in programming languages like Python to how to implement it, so they can also understand how coding works more. So this should be for the next video. I'm going to talk about how to do for that of diagonal, because we're done for row, we're done for column, so remaining for that of diagonal. That's what we're going to do in the next video. So this should be it for the video. Thank you for watching.